Hi, I hope you're well, and I'm so glad that you've managed to find your way here today. I don't know how you got here. It might be through a book, my book, Hate Excel. It might be through a referral. It might be through a recommendation, but either way, you are in the right place. If you are a complete newbie to Excel, or in fact, you've opened up an Excel sheet and then closed it again because you've come out in a cold sweat, but now for whatever reason you have to get to grips with Excel, this book, this course even is for you. I've designed it so it's going to be less than an hour long overall. All the videos are less than 5 minutes. It walks you through the basics. Doesn't cover everything in Excel, nothing could, but enough to get you up and running. Just a little bit about me. My name is Anne Walsh. I'm also known as the Excel Lady. That's a name other people gave me, not me. I've taught thousands of people how to use Excel. I've been a freelance trainer since the mid 1990s, and I've written 10 books on Excel. You can find out more about me at my website, which you can see www.theexcellady.com. But the main thing here is for you to get started. Log on and start the journey towards making Excel your friend. Mind yourself and take care. Bye.